Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can copy Facebook page link. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Facebook application, and after that, I'm going to go to my profile. I'm going to click on these three lines, and then this is my Facebook profile, and I'm going to go to the pages. Then we can choose a page we want to copy the link. For instance, I'm going to copy the link of this page. So I'm going to tap on the page to open it, and we can click on this three dots. Okay, and here as you can see, we will be able to copy the page link. Just tap on the copy link, and now it's done. The link has been copied to clipboard, and I will be able to paste this link. Alright guys, and that's all the way to copy Facebook page link. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.